In 5 minutes, you can completely redesign your default WooCommerce emails with this plugin. It's called Email Kit, and let me show you how to use it right now. And I'm actually using the free version, so you can too. Now, link provided in the description in case you want to grab the free version or the paid version. Now, on my WordPress website, I already have Email Kit installed, which is this plugin right here. Now, before I show you how to customize the WooCommerce emails, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, this is a fantastic way to go. They have managed WordPress hosting, which is super affordable. Now, scroll down here and you'll find the plans that they have available as of this video. You can grab the most affordable plan, which is $199, but it doesn't include the AI tools, which I do recommend. So go ahead and jump over to the next plan, which is the Business Plus AI that you can grab for $299 a month. This will include the installation up to 50 websites, 5 managed nodes, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes per website for the first year free, and the AI tools, which is a great option. Now go ahead and select this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code to get an even lower price. Now, the first thing you need to do here in Hostinger is select the amount of months that you want to select to pay in advance. I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now, over here, we got the total for $143, but if you click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop to $129 for the 4 years. So that's pretty affordable if you ask me. Now let's go back over to my WordPress website. Now, as I said, I have Email Kit installed on my WordPress website, and I'm going to click on add a new email template. Now, once I'm here, I'm going to name my template. So I'm going to say Woo Order, for example. Now, over here, there's a category list that I'm going to select. So we got our WooCommerce emails that we can customize, but in this case, we want to customize the WooCommerce email. Go ahead and select this and then select the template that you want to customize. For example, for a new order, let's go ahead and use the new order demo. Let's go ahead and edit with Email Kit, and we'll be able to customize it here with editable right here email with drag and drop, and it's super easy. So this is like the default order. If you buy something on a WooCommerce store, this is the type of email that you're going to get. So you might have a super beautiful WooCommerce site, but the emails just lack that same synchronization. So site is beautiful, emails suck. Well, let's go ahead and fix that right here. So first off, we can go ahead and customize the order. And right now it's using the order ID right here. And this is something really important when you make the customizations because these IDs are tied to inside of WordPress. So the ID is going to be grabbed from WooCommerce. When you buy a product, it's going to give you an order ID. So we need these variables right here. Those variables are right here in the shortcodes. They're all available right here. So don't worry if you don't know which one you're going to use. You'll be able to find them right here, or if you remove it for some certain reason. So any element that you select, you'll be able to customize the style look over here on the left. So if you select this section right here for the billing address, so it's tied to the billing title and the shipping title, and we can customize this right here. Now, what if I want to beautify this because it really sucks? This is like the basic information. I know I need to have this in the order, but what if I need to improve it? You got the section right here for the elements. How about adding an image? Well, go ahead and upload an image or upload an image box. Or how about a video? Just go ahead and drag it inside wherever you want that video. And here we go. We can go ahead and select it and add the video link URL right here. So it updates that video. So it's super easy. How about a heading? Well, we need a heading right here. So we can add it really easily. So I'm going to say test for this purpose and we're good to go. There's styling options for the heading where I can change the alignment, the color, the sizing, the font, etc. All right, which is pretty much straightforward. How about that image? Let me go ahead and find that. Here it is, upload image. So drag it in the section where you want to add that image. Here we go. Go ahead and upload an image or select one from your WordPress website. In this case, I'm going to select this one for testing purposes. Here we go. Maybe this is a hardware store. I'm going to remove this because that looks ugly. And here it is. Now we can go ahead and drag and drop these in case we want to change where they are positioned. So in case I don't want it right here, I can just go ahead and drag it to a different section by dragging it here. You can see it highlights and I can go ahead and move it. That's one of the ways that you can move it here on Email Kit. Another way is by using the Navigator here on the right. So I can go ahead and drag and drop it here from the Navigator. So just go ahead and do so right here and it'll update right there. So it's different ways that you can go ahead and customize this. I like dragging and dropping right here on the canvas. So it just makes it easier for me. So any element that you select, you'll be able to customize it. Now over here on the left, we got some WooCommerce elements that you can drag inside of here, which in this case, they are already here, like the shipping address, the billing address, the billing shipping address, order items, etc. You can drag them inside of here to get those details. So it's super easy. How about a password reset? We don't want to do that here, but you can go ahead and add it. Or how about low stock information? You can do so right here. This is all on the free version, okay? I'm not using the paid version, just to be clear out there, okay? Now, over here on the top menu, you got your reset, undo, redo, your shortcodes, and the test email to see how this is going to actually look when you receive the email. So it's really practical. Activated or not, so you can create these and not activate them until you're ready. So that way, if your store is working right now, you don't have to send out those test emails yet until you're ready. This is how it's going to view on desktop, how it's going to view on mobile, the preview mode, and the saving mode. So it's super easy to customize the emails with Email Kit. Now that's just a quick example with the order on WooCommerce. You can go ahead and do so for every single one of your emails. So if it's a WordPress email, select from the templates. So if there's a new account, create a beautiful email. If it's a password reset, create a beautiful email. So it depends. For example, for the new account, they got some templates available, but these are on the paid version. I'm not on the paid version, so I won't be able to test these out. But you don't need it. You can create a beautiful email with the free version. There's no need for the paid account, okay? Now again, you got your canvas right here where you can customize everything. You can add elements to add some images, make it fun, interesting. Maybe your site is a bit funny. Maybe your site is about a coffee shop. We'll add some coffee beans right here with an image, some details, and you can make this super interesting with Email Kit. So, I mean, if you want to get rid of those boring emails that you're receiving by default by WordPress and WooCommerce, it's super easy to customize with Email Kit. So if you want to check it out, download the free version. And if you want to grab the paid version, check out that link in the description. And that's a wrap.